Hi children, hope you are fine in your home and staying safe. Today we are going to see an interesting topic in science. Before telling you what the topic is about, let me ask you a few questions. Okay? Yes. What you will tell if you're going to the shop and you're asking a shopkeeper, Anna, give me 1 kilo of tomato. You will ask like that, or how will you ask? Give me a bag full of tomatoes na keeping la and every keeping it. And obviously, yes, what? You will ask 1 kilo of tomatoes na keeping it, isn't it? Similarly, when I ask you how much do you travel, what is the distance you travel from your home to reach the school? What you will say? Ma'am, I travel 1 kilometer from school to home or home to school, you will tell like that, isn't it? Yes. Then what if someone asks you what's your height? What you will say? I am this much centimeter height, or I am 4 feet tall, like that you will tell. What are all these things? எது பத்தியோ நீங்க measure பண்றீங்க இல்லையா? Kilogram, centimeter, then kilometers, இதெல்லாம் என்னது? அளவீடுகள். Yes, all these things is known as measurement. Yes, today we are going to discuss the topic on measurements. What do you mean by the term measurement? Measurement na enna pathina comparison. A comparison of unknown quantity with the known quantity is known as the measurements. See, for example, you are asking you are buying few tomatoes or few potatoes, whatever vegetables you want, you are picking it up from the stores. Yes, you are grabbing and you are asking the Anna to put how much I need 1 kilos now. What he is doing? He is putting few amounts of tomatoes and he is balancing it. Okay, so that is known as the measurement. Okay, unknown quantity, say for example, how will you measure the stone? This is something rough, we don't know what weight it is. You're just keeping it in the balance. Yes, I have one digital balance over here, electronic balance. You're owning it, switching on it, and I'm placing the unknown object and it weighs, see, it weighs 75 to 76 grams. Okay, this is called as, these are the small things, measurements. Okay, and this measurement has two parts. Measurements and parts we have two parts. That is the number and a unit. A number and a unit. Number na, it can be, see the length of the notebook. Length of the notebook now, you will measure like this. 0 point here and up to the end point you have 25. Yes, 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 is the number and centimeter is the unit. Okay, length kuriya unit vandu meters. We will discuss more in detail in the future while discussing the future topics. Yes children, I hope you understand the term measurement. What is a measurement? Yes, very good. Measurement is nothing but comparison of unknown quantity with known quantity, and it has two parts, number and unit. Example I have given here, say, for example 5 kilogram, 5 is the number and unit is kilogram. Okay. Now we are going to see about a length. How will you measure this notebook? Just now I gave you an example. How will you measure this notebook? By using a scale. The simple and easiest way everyone will be having measuring tool is this small scale. Everyone will be having this small scale in your box, pencil box, to draw a line. Okay. In your early classes itself, in mathematics period and all, ma'am used to say draw a 5 centimeter line. What you will do? You will immediately, yes, you will immediately take the scale and from here you will take a paper and you will start to draw the line from the 0 to 5. Yes, this is how you will measure the length. Length is what? It is the distance between distance between from one end to the other end. Okay, இதுதான் length. ஒரு distance ஓட எவ்வளவு நம்ம desired end வேணுமோ அது வரைக்கும் measure பண்றது தான் length. The distance between one end and the other end. What is the SI unit? Standard unit for length என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா meter. What is the SI unit for length? You have the meter. And it is represented by the letter M. Meter வந்து எப்படி represent பண்றாங்க? Small m ல இருந்து represent பண்றாங்க. Very small lengths can be measured by using this small scales which we have. In this small scale, you can see clearly. In between this 1 and 2, there are minute 9 markings. These small lines are called as millimeters. And 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. all these are centimeters. This scale is used for measuring the small objects. Okay, then what about the little bit bigger one? Yes, we are having the another scale which I showed you is 30 centimeter scale. This also you have used for drawing lines, isn't it? Okay, then what about this scale? Can you guess how much centimeter or meter it would be? Yes, guess it. See how much centimeter it is? 100 centimeter, and it is a meter scale, 1 meter scale. Okay. For example, the height of this board can be measured using this meter scale. See, from the top, I am keeping it here, 91, the length. Okay, the length of this board is 91 centimeter. So, all these things, centimeter and meter na, or small objects வந்து நம்ம measure பண்ணலாம். What about you are going for a drive? Okay. இப்போ now obviously we can't go anywhere. முன்னாடி நீங்கள் போயிருந்தீங்கன்னா you would have seen it before itself. Big hoardings, bannersலாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, isn't it? அந்த bannersலாம் how they are measuring it? Using the scale? No, we have certain tapes for that to measure it. Okay, அதெல்லாம் எப்படி குறிப்பிடுவோம்னா we will tell it as meter. Larger measurement வந்து we will represent it in meter. And I asked you few previous questions like what is the distance you traveled? You said if you are residing so long na என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, என்ன சொல்வீங்க? You tell it as yes, kilometer னு சொன்னீங்களா? Yes, you said I travel 1 kilometer from home to reach the school. Okay, so larger distance, long distance, you will tell it as kilometer. Not only that, or cities, the distance between cities and towns, you will tell it in kilometer. For example, Chennai to Arakonam, எவ்வளோ kilometers இருக்கு? Or உங்க villageல இருந்து பக்கத்து villageக்கு, you will tell it as what? There is 5 kilometers or 6 kilometers. You will represent the distance. The larger areas or larger city distance, you will measure it in kilometers. Yes. Now we can see measuring tools. எதெல்லாம் வச்சு நம்ம what are the tools we have to measure? பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, as we saw this meter scale, okay, 30 centimeter scale we have, 15 centimeter scale we have, 1 meter scale we have. Yes, 1 meter scale we have. Then all these things comes under centimeter la irundhalum seri, meters la irundhalum seri, these scales are known as measuring, so meter scale. Okay, all these things are the meter scale. And while going to a shop, a textile or a garment shop ku poringa, okay, a clothing shop ku poringa, and you want to buy some cloth. Nowadays we are wearing what? We are wearing ready-made cloths, but early days and all, even now also a few members will take bits. Okay, shirt bits la edukkanuna, you will go to the shop. In that, what they will use obviously the meter scale use பண்ணுவாங்க. எவ்வளோ meter, this is the best thing. Meter scale use பண்ணி they will measure the cloth. Then they will be having for tailor shop க்கு போனீங்கன்னா what you will see, உங்களோட அளவு எப்படி எடுப்பாங்க? Yes, they'll be having some. Any guesses? Very good. This is the tape. In the inch tape வச்சு தான் they will measure your body length, எவ்வளோ sleeve வேணும், what is the chest, numbers எப்படி calculate பண்ணுறாங்க, இந்த inches வச்சு calculate பண்ணுறாங்க. And here also you have it in centimeters. Okay, this side, one side you'll be having in this tape, inch tape. This is called as measuring tape also. And on the other side, there is the measurement is in centimeter. Okay. Do you have any idea? This is one measuring tape. And what is this? What do you understand? From this, what can you see? This is a 100-meter measuring tape. Okay. 100 centimeter குறியது இருக்கு. இல்ல inchesum இருக்கு. You have the inches and the centimeter also you have. Where it is used? Any idea, dear children? Very good, very good. Someone in that video is telling, yes, I have seen this video. Sorry, I have seen this tape somewhere. Where it is? Good. This tape is used by civil engineers and mestris. Okay, இதுக்கு for length calculate பண்றதுக்கு, for measuring the surface length, this tape is used. For measuring the ground length க்கு வந்து இந்த tape யூஸ் ஆகுது. And important thing, mostly in your sports day celebration இருக்கட்டும் or any sports day event இருக்கட்டும், what will happen? Your PT master, what he will do? He will take this inch tape and he will mark the court. And a court. Kabaddi, for that, they will use this tape and they will mark it. Okay, evlo distance venu abdina. So for measuring the larger areas, this measuring tape is used. Okay, next we have measuring jar. Measuring jar here. I will let me show you this. This is a 1000 ml measuring jar. All these jars are used in your labs. Okay, இதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன calculate பண்ண போறோம்? Yes, any idea? Jarல என்ன? What do you mean by jar? Jar which contains water. Okay, jarla we will use water to fill it up, and this is measuring jar. It is 1000 milliliters. To know how much amount of water is there for measuring water, this kind of jars are used. Next we have a stop clock. Stop clock now, an athlete is running. What is how much distance he is traveling in the short span of time? That is important for an athlete. Okay, that is very much important for the athlete. For calculating the time, they are using the stop clock. Even now we have in our mobile phones and all, we have an icon called as stop clock. From that, how fast he moves, how fast the athlete moves from the point to destination point is calculated using the stop clock. Then you have balance. Very good. Balance is used for measuring the mass. Okay, mass வந்து எப்படி measure பண்ணுவீங்க? In the first example I said you're going to the shop or any grocery shop போறீங்கன்னா they will measure how much kilogram. Okay, so this is the electronic balance and the older version of this. I hope you have not seen it. Rarely பார்த்திருந்தீங்கன்னா this is the physical balance. Okay, this is the physical balance. In that we have the known quantity. See, the known quantity is 1 kilogram. This stone weighs about 1 kilogram. And what they will do to measure, they will add on some quantities in the other side of the pan to make it a stable. Okay, 1 kilogram வர வரைக்கும் போட்டுட்டு இருப்பாங்க. So this is the physical balance which we used before. Now we don't have time, we are moving it. We are moving fast. So we are using this kind of electronic balance. Let me show you. Let me show you how much weight it is. The small rock weighs, and this stone weighs 75 grams. Okay. This is about the measuring tools. Some of the measuring tools I said you: measuring tape, balance, meter scale, stop clock, and measuring jar. Another few day-to-day example measuring a tool is, you're going to a doctor to see a doctor. Okay, so what he gives you, a pills or a syrup. Syrup kumala, I mean in the bottle, above the bottle there will be a small cap, isn't it? That will show you how much ml you have to drink it. So that is also one of the example for measuring tool. Yes. Let us see what are the units of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. What are the other measuring units? Meter, millimeter, centimeter tavarthu, what are the other measuring units we have now? Handspan. What do you mean by handspan? I know you have studied this. I really know in your lower classes you have studied about the handspan. Yes. Someone from there? Very good. Handspan is the distance between the thumb and this small finger. Okay. To recollect your knowledge about the handspan, I will explain you in short. See, I am going to measure the length. Okay, I have drawn a line from top to bottom. I will measure this using the handspan. See, thumb here, over here, and small finger over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is 4 handspan. The length of this line is what? 4 handspan. And what about cubit? Cubit pathina, enada idu cubit? Nothing to worry. Cubit is a very simple kind of measuring unit. Cubit is nothing but molam. Okay, Tamil enna solvanga? Molam nu solvanga. Yes, you have to measure using this top finger to the elbow. Okay, elbow to this length is called as 1 cubit. Similarly, can we measure the line using the cubit? Okay, I took this hand for measuring handspan, so I'm using the same hand, same side of the hand. See, 1, okay, 1, 1, then 2, it's not completely 2, 1 and up to here we have 1.5, I can say 1. Okay, so the measurement is doesn't it seems so crazy to measure it in handspan and cubit, isn't it? It was so funny, right? It was so interesting also. I'll give you a few activities using this handspan and cubit. Measure your sisters or your brothers' height using handspan and cubit. That is one activity for you. Okay. Yes. And we have other measuring units, miles and pounds. Miles and pounds, engyo kelapattirukume appdin pathina, miles is nothing but in few western countries they are using distance, kilometer irukku, kilometer vandu miles nu denote pandranga. Even in our here on early days we used miles for the ivlo, Tamil la solvanga idu avlo mile தூரத்துல இருந்து வந்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as miles. In western countries they are measuring, they are denoting the distance kilometer as miles. Similarly, pounds is nothing but the mass. Okay, mass evlo, here we are describing the mass in the unit of kilogram. Similarly there in pounds, okay, they are measuring in pounds. Okay, so how we discussed here, handspan or cubitum panambodu, there was a difference in the measurement. Yes, okay, so there should be an uniformity. யூனிஃபார்மிட்டி இன் எக்ஸ்பிரஸிங் த மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸை வந்து எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு குறிப்பாக யூனிஃபார்மிட்டியாக இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ஊரில் வேறு மாதிரி அவங்க மெஷர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா there will be confusion. So to eradicate all those confusion, to bring uniformity in expressing the measurements, SI unit was brought out. SI unit na என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூனிஃபார்மிட்டி. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லென்த்துக்குன்னா நம்ம இப்போ மெஷர் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா லென்த்து, அந்த லென்த்துக்குன்னா மீட்டர். ஓகே, ஃபார் மெஷரிங் த ஹைட் ஆர் பிரெத் எதை வச்சு நம்ம அளக்குறோமோ லென்த்துக்கு வந்து யூனிட் வந்து மீட்டர். அண்ட் ஃபார் மாஸ்னா இது there is slight difference மாஸுக்கும் வெயிட்டுக்கும். what do you mean by mass? Massனா the amount. Okay, amount of the matter in the space is known as mass. Okay, இப்போ வெயிட்னா என்ன, நம்ம கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் மேலே படும்போது நம்ம earth is having some gravitational pull over us. ஓகே, அந்த கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸோட நம்ம வெயிட் எவ்வளோ, நம்ம மாஸ் எவ்வளவோ சேர்ந்தது தான் இந்த வெயிட். Mass is nothing but the matter occupied in a space is called as the mass, and weight is nothing but using the gravitational pull of the earth நம்மளோட weight எவ்வளோ the mass எவ்வளோ சேர்ந்தது தான் weight. The SI unit for mass is kilogram, and the SI unit for time, for calculating time, the SI unit is what? Seconds. Then the area of a surface என்னது? Okay, this surface, area of surface is meter square, and it is denoted by m square. Meter na another m is known as meter, and square na rendu side ume enna the meter square eppdida இந்த யூனிட் வந்துன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா nothing. Area is nothing but length into breadth ma'am. Length na enna, இப்போ for example I am denoting you this. Okay, I have this big meter scale, and நான் இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன்னா இந்த டாப்லேருந்து இந்த லென்த் இருக்கு இல்லையா, I'm going to measure it. Okay, I'm going to measure the length of this area. It comes 91 centimeter. Okay, அதான் length I have written here 91 centimeter. And the breadth, இந்தோட breadth, இந்த லைன்லேருந்து from this line to the end of the board, I'm calculating the area. Yes, so from here to here it comes 82 centimeter. I have given it. What you have to do, this is the length. This is all what is in centimeter. Okay, so 91 into 82 we are getting 7462 centimeter. Okay, centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Here 1 centimeter into here 1 centimeter, so centimeter square. Similarly, volume of solid. Volume of solid is nothing but a cube. Okay, for example, I am taking you, here I have a box, a Chalkpix box I have. Okay, this will be we will calculate volume of a solid. Okay, இதுக்குள்ள எவ்வளோ சாலிடு எவ்வளோ வால்யூம் வந்து நம்ம இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ சாலிடு வந்து இல்லை எவ்வளோ வால்யூம் எவ்வளோ வால்யூம் உள்ளே அடக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா m cube, which is nothing but length into breadth into height. இதோட length. Okay, then height evlo and the breadth. Okay, for this is m cube. For example, for approximately you have here 0 to 8 irukku. Okay, so 8 into breadth you have length is 8 and breadth you have 10. Okay, and height approximately the same. Okay, 8. So you have to calculate, you have to multiply, and you have centimeter cube in varum. Find out. Yes, this one is for you, volume of the solid. You have to, I said you length. Length is approximately 8 into 10 into 8. So what will be? You will tell me the answer. Okay, centimeter cube in varum. So what we saw in this length, we saw about the measurement. What is the measurement? The comparison between the unknown quantity with the known quantity is known as measurement. It has two parts. that is number and the unit nu paathom. Then we saw what is length. Length வந்து எப்படி represent பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம். What is the unit of length we saw. Then we saw some few examples of measuring tools. Then we saw what is the units of length. Then we briefly saw about handspan and cubit. Finally, we saw what are the SI units of measurements. Yes, I gave you an activity for this video. What is that? Yes, measure your height. Measure your sister's or your brother's height using handspan and cubit. Fine. Let me see you in the next video. Thank you.